Hello, my name is Kevin. I'm a lawyer with 15 years of experience, and now I will tell you what to do if you fail an Amazon background check. Amazon. It is the biggest online retailer in the world that specializes in bringing customers various types of products and services, including digital books, electronics, and cloud computing. The company pays a lot of attention to security and safety, thus making employment screening, employment verification, and background investigation core to its operations, ensuring it adheres to corporate standards and reduces risks for the business and its customers. However, errors and delays in the background check may result in poor chances of employment for a candidate. For example, false information or cases of previous criminal records can be reasons for candidate rejection. These stress the importance of accuracy and fullness of the information provided by a candidate. A step-by-step guide to an effective Amazon background check. Amazon is one of the largest global corporations that invests heavily in human capital. To get the opportunity to work in this company, prospective applicants need to pass through the hurdle of the background check. Though it may sound a bit old-fashioned, it is recommended to follow these steps in order to get ready for the examination and prevent any kind of delays or refusal. Check your social network and online profile. Amazon may be examining your online profile as part of your background check. Make sure that your profile on the social media pages you use does not have any bad comments on them that can negatively influence your hiring decision. Prepare comprehensive information about your previous places of work and schooling. Ensure that all the places you have worked and the schooling details in your resume are in order and are accurate. Amazon will cross-check each of the information you have presented during a background check. State your plea for information on past convictions. While there is no exception to the rule of what you can say about past convictions, Amazon always examines all the evidence one by one. Being honest about past convictions can help you, especially if they do not have any bearings on what you have set out as your next work. Check your credit report. For some positions at Amazon, it may require a check on the credit report. Check that there are no errors on your credit report, which could influence the results of the background check. Be ready for any additional information or documents required. If your status for the Amazon background check shows that they are still in the process of conducting it or need some supplementary information, make sure you are prepared for the request from the company. How long does Amazon background check take? The understanding of how much time passes in conducting a background check in Amazon can provide you an opportunity to have yourself better served. This usually takes between a few days to a few weeks, depending on the volume of work the researching departments have and the necessity of a deeper investigation into the information. How to find the status of your Amazon background check. Use either the service from the candidate's support team or the official website login to check the status of your Amazon background check. There is no harm in questions regarding this process, or for you to better understand what is about to be asked of you. Just remember that if you are going to remain in Amazon, then a proactive attitude is better and be more open with questions. What does Amazon look for in a background check? It's about ensuring that the workforce and clients of Amazon are not threatened in any way by considering a candidate's social accountability apart from his experience. This can involve checks on court records, a person's past workings, and the list goes on. Some of the aspects involved in social media accounts can include any type of inappropriate content. How far into the past does Amazon delve into their background check? It depends on the state's legislation and also the job post applied for. Though most of the time, Amazon may study the last 7 to 10 years of history belonging to the candidate, these scopes could be expanded for some positions. What to do if the background check doesn't pass? If you face a situation where Amazon indicates that the background check did not go as well as planned, then keep calm and find out what caused this result. Amazon typically provides an opportunity to challenge the findings if they were based on an error or misjudgment. In this case, the candidate will have to furnish proof or explanations of the problems found. How to speed up the process of a background check. Prepare and check in advance all the necessary information to speed up the Amazon background check in progress. It's recommended to answer Amazon's query as quickly as possible if you're asked. With this in mind, confirm that all your documents and details, which include your work and education history, are already free from errors and ambiguities. Average length of a background check at Amazon. Generally, in the case of Amazon, the background check process takes approximately a few days to 2 weeks. However, based on factors such as the volume of data to be checked, replies by third-party background check agencies, statutory and procedural differences, and technical delays or errors. These timelines may be extended. If your background check has already begun and the status does not denote that the final result has been reached, this may suggest either a need for some more investigations or some delay from the side of third parties. Reasons for an Amazon background check denied or failed. Non-correspondence of information. Differences in information provided, such as a discrepancy in the employment history or school, may cause the refusal. Amazon pays meticulous attention to the validity of the information. Jobs not suitable for position. The presence of court records, especially where they are directly related to the duties expected from the job, may be the reason. Relevant for this will include various types of judicial summons against an individual, pending inquiries, or the like, that they are expected to bear as a consequence of their responsibilities. Issues regarding credit. For some positions, Amazon may run credit checks. A high level of debt or a record of late payments may affect an assessment of whether an individual is likely to accept a job or not. Problems in your previous place of work. Having very serious crimes in your previous workplaces, for instance, fraud or misbehavior, may be taken as a reason to stay away from the post. How to avoid refusal. Present the complete and accurate information. Make sure that everything in your resume and employment application is precise and truthful. The discrepancy between your words and the results of the background check could later provoke doubts in the minds of a potential employer. Be open about your past. Be open and honest when referring to your past mistakes, if any. Amazon considers each case with a personal touch, taking into account the character of the commitments and the amount of time elapsed since the incident. Improve credit history. Try and be conscious of what to work on while improving credit history for such situations where the result of your credit history has a chance to influence background checking. Seek recommendations. Where possible, get proof from people with whom you have worked before on your behalf to express your competence and credibility. Services of attorneys if your Amazon background check taking forever. Amazon bumped into such a disaster that reaching out to a legal team could significantly increase the chances of dealing with the problems. We have profound knowledge of the law under FCRA, which allows us to effectively review and challenge cases regarding the violation of the client's rights in the process of background checks. Our extensive experience of cases ranging from refusal of services to prolongation of background checks for Amazon makes us possible to offer legal support and consultation on every step of the way towards solving the problem. What are the most important advantages of contacting a legal company from among competitors? Genuine knowledge of legislation, especially under FCRA, on how to appeal for possible violations. On the other hand, experience with solving problems on background checks is really tangible. No need for prepayment for services. Support and consultation throughout the process. Should you have some problem at Amazon by checking on a background check, do not hesitate to contact us for professional help. We are ready to offer you an effective solution and support at every level. Contact us now to start work on your problem. Our contact information is in the description. If you like the video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Take care and succeed.